Okay, everyone, happy 2021, and it's a new year, so I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to be doing something no other YouTuber has ever done. I'm going to be going to reddit.com and reviewing the posts on it. More specifically, I'm going to be going to r slash ask science. No one has ever done this before. So, Ask Science is where all the most scientifically literate and the most philosophical questions get asked. It is where every scientist goes to ask questions and answer them as well. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look on the subreddit and review the things that are on here, the questions being asked. No one has ever done this. So, I present to you Science Review. So normally people, they like to sort by hot or top of the week. But it's 2021. We're doing something different that no one else has ever done before. We're going to the top of all time. So this is the top of all time Ask Science Review 2021. All right, let's get into this. Help us fight for net neutrality. Wait a minute, this isn't a question. What's this doing on Ask Science? This isn't a question. Downvote. Here we go. Now we're getting to the questions. Do giraffes get struck by lightning more often than other animals? I gotta know the answer to this. Thanks for all the info, guys. I posted this after waking up from a dream in which giraffes were being struck by lightning. Wow. The most scientifically inclined people. So this is not my area of expertise. And I hope other more qualified people chime in, but I have found some information. The answer is yes. Giraffes do in fact get struck by lightning more often. Why is it that during winter it's not uncommon to have days with abnormally high temperature and summer-like weather, but in summer it never drops to winter-like weather for a day? Huh, I've never thought of that. That's a good question. This guy lives in the US and is a Midwesterner. Wow, let's see. Lots of incomplete answers here. Take a look at this graph of solar intensity versus latitude. As you can see, the summer pole receives about as much sunlight as the equator. Actually, slightly more because of the 24-hour days in the Arctic Circle. Wow. That just blew my mind right there. If we could travel at 99.9% the speed of light, it would take 4 years to get to Alpha Centauri. Would the people on the spaceship feel like they were stuck on board for 4 years, or would it feel shorter to them? That's a very good question. And look, it's marked physics. I like physics. Let's look. Hello, everyone. We're getting lots of great follow-up questions from this thread. That's not an answer. The time dilation factor is 1 minus f squared to the 0.5, where f is the fraction of speed of light. The gamma factor, right there. This means that the time that passes inside the spaceship approaches 0 as f approaches 1. Mind blown. What percent of my weight am I actually lifting when I do a push-up? That seems like physics. The question made me curious, and a quick search yielded the study linked below. About 69%. If hand sanitizer kills 99.99% of germs, then won't the surviving 0.01% make hand sanitizer resistant strains? Oh my gosh. We're living in a pandemic, guys. We better know the answer to this fast. Most hand sanitizers use alcohol, which kills indiscriminately. It would kill us if we didn't have livers to filter it. And in high enough doses, will kill anyway. So you're saying alcohol kills us? Why do we fucking drink it then? Oh my gosh. My life has changed forever, guys. My life has changed forever by this Ask Science question. What happens to the 0.01% of germs? Insert the TikTok of that ignorant kid. Why do we have to fall asleep? Why can't we just be asleep? I wonder that every single night. Let's see the answer to this. Sleeping literally changes your very physiology. Our core body temperature drops, which allows certain proteins to work differently than they do during our waking up, as a broad example. It is not something we'd want easy control over. Well, why the fuck do I not sleep at night, huh? For humans, seawater is not drinkable. That is very true. Why do whales, manatees, seals, and other seafaring mammals stay hydrated then? Huh. I guess I've never thought of that. Why the fuck don't whales drink water? Let's find out the answer to that. The short answer is A. They get water from their food and avoid salty food. Very true. 2. They have modifications to their kidneys to allow them to excrete more salt. Yeah. 3. There a lot don't know. Marine animals are hard to study. 4. You're too salty. If we return to the moon, is there a telescope on Earth today strong enough to watch astronauts walking around on the surface? Very good question. Can we see the aliens on the moon? No, I don't think any telescope could come close. Amazing. And then there's some math. We don't do math around here. Why do we use pillows when we sleep? Did we need this during the prehistoric/ancient era? What changed? Anthropology? What kind of science is anthropology? I guess we're about to find out. Oh, the answer, as far as I can tell, is that we don't know. Great job, anthropologists. Thank you for enlightening me on this. We don't know. Is it possible to yo-yo in space? We're asking the real questions here now. It is indeed possible to yo-yo in space. Thank fucking God, because when I go to space, the first thing I want to do is yo-yo. That's the only thing I want to do, is yo-yo in space. And you know what? On that note, I'm going to end today's episode of Scientific Reddit Recap Review. Thank you for watching. Follow me on twitch.tv if you want like actual scientific content. I'm going to try to live stream some scientific explanation videos on there. And go ahead and like the video and subscribe as well while you're here. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully not a Reddit video.